Alright guys, I think I got something in here. See what it is, guys. Oh, this one is a good one. Banga. Look guys, another one. Beautiful. This is amazing, guys. Another red grouper, a little bit bigger than the other one, and this is amazing, guys. Look at this beautiful fish. Let me take this out. I love how they fight and how they actually like help you out, but look at this fish, guys. Amazing. I love it. The reason that I like to come to this spot, this is the second time in a row that I come here. Look at this amazing fish. Alright guys, I just got here. Let me see what I got. Nice. A new friend. I really like it. I just got here just 5 seconds ago. And I got this beauty. I have to be careful because he has something in there. Beautiful animal, guys. Gonna release it now. Got a good one over here. I hope that's a good one, guys. I can see the fish already. Nice. Really like it. Look at this, guys. I just got here a couple of seconds ago, and I got a lot of good fish for you guys today. Look at this. Amazing fish today, guys. Alright, not only that, but he's actually kind of beautiful and amazing. Look at those. And you know, I'm getting it with the shrimp. I still fishing with the shrimp from the last time. So you guys see, this is amazing. This is the same one that I took out the other days, just a little smaller. The one with the tooth. You guys remember the one with the tooth? This one is same one, a little smaller, and I hope you guys like it. Another line in the middle. Let's see what it is, guys. I see the fish, and you see what it is. This is amazing, guys. I just got here 10 seconds ago, and I got this beautiful fish. Here's the second one. Beautiful, guys. Look at this. This one is a little bit bigger than the regular. I just want to make sure that I got you right, boy. And I really love it. Look at that amazing fish, guys. Beautiful. This is the second one that I got today. Alright guys, I got another one, really cool, but it also counts. I mean, what can I say? Alright guys, I got another one. I don't know what it is, but I got another one, guys. Oh man, another black grouper, guys. Another black grouper for you guys. Look at this. I've been taking so many black groupers in the last couple of weeks. It's not even funny, guys. Really like it. Another black groupers. This one is the red one, guys. You can see the red all over this fish. Gonna let it go, guys, but it's amazing. Alright, guys, I got something right here. Let's see what it is. Another one, guys. And I love it. I really do. This is awesome. Sometimes it's not always about the big fish, guys. Sometimes it's about having fun and enjoy if you actually like it. But look at that. That's an amazing fish. And you know, this is not what we're looking for. We're looking for something a little bit bigger. So let's see. Baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. I got him, guys. I got him. Nice one. Really like it. It's one of those. Look, guys. Beautiful. Another one. Give me a fight. He came with a flower, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Amazing. Well, guys, it was an amazing day today. We catch everything that we want. Besides, we was looking for something a little bit bigger than what we got today, but regardless, it was actually amazing. I wanna do a video on deeper water. I'm just waiting for the weather to be fine so I can look for around 150 to 200 to 300 foot of water. I want to try my luck out there as well. Somebody told me about a place that was close by, so I want to check it out to see if I can get something bigger and something that give me a better fight. But I'm really happy with what I got so far today. I can't complain. So many fish. It's a good time. And I come here only for a couple of hours. And I hope you guys like it. I will see you guys next time, and enjoy, and thank you for watching.